Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to update emojis on your Android phone. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, and it is recommended for you to use the Wi-Fi connection. After that, we will need to check if you have the latest Android version installed. So let's go to the settings section right here and then scroll all the way down to software update. So let's select the download and install option right here, and as you can see, the phone is checking for updates. So in my case, I have the software up to date, but if you don't, download and install the latest version of your Android in order to get the emoji updates. You have to keep in mind the fact that if you're using an older mobile phone, there is a possibility that you will not be able to update the phone to the latest version of the Android. So you will not be able to use the latest emojis on your phone. So this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.